Okay, gonna do a short operation video of this WILBOKEN pressure switch made for Champion compressors. I believe the switch is 1927. I took it all apart and cleaned everything and checked everything. Anyway, I can't believe it's gonna work. I got the switch set by this nut up here for a 100-pound shut-off. I have a remote compressor, and what's happening with this is it's bleeding. The air is bleeding out of my fittings here faster than what's coming in the valve. So I open the valve a lot and it goes up real quick. The other compressor set at like 110. So I shut the valve and bleed off the line and see where the kick-on goes, where the kick-on starts. About 55, 60 pounds. Then I open the valve and I can tell where the shut-off kicks on. Shut-off kicks in at. So anyway, I've cleaned everything. So this is the adjusting nut here. That's a 1932 nut. That's an oddball, and it fits this cap exactly. There's a hex imprint in this cap that acts as interference of the nut, so the nut just doesn't turn off on its own vibration or anything. So you can adjust the pressure by 1/6 of a turn, or 1/6 one of the points, because there's 6 points in the impression, of course 6 points on the nut. We'll take a look at the unloader now. Oh, camera, not flashlight. I went through the unloader, cleaned and repaired everything. It works with the points opening and closing. I can't believe this thing is still gonna work. This is when they made parts to repair, components to repair and change parts on. Okay, the compressor's coming good. The whole unit is getting back together. I've measured the belt and ordered the belt. It's a 5-foot 2-inch belt. So everything's coming along good. Okay, thanks for watching my video.